Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SashaWnNa. S to the A to the S to the H to the A to the W to the N to the N to the A. Back today with another video. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you 5 ways that you can style your wash and go. As you guys can see, my hair is freshly washed. I added some gel to it. Use the Eco Style gel, this pink one. Yeah, curl and wave. It has a hold of 8. I purposely did not use the argan oil one because it has a hold of 10, and I want my hair to not be too crunchy while I'm doing this tutorial. Yeah, so you guys can see I have short natural hair, teeny weeny afro. Yeah, let's jump right into it. Wait, hold on. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Get on with the video. guys, that is it. 5 simple hairstyles for your wash and go if you have teeny weeny afro hair like mine's. As you can see, you know, shrinking up a bit, don't have that bounce, but yeah. So guys, if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as well as don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because there will be more content just like this one coming out, so you don't want to miss it. Okay, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.